Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and right now I will be watching the first glimpse basically of an upcoming Telugu film which stars Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandana. So this movie is called Rana Bali. So I don't want to delay this any further. I have some context of the film that is based on a novel, but I want to see what the glimpse talks about. So let's watch it. The imagery is it's a period film. Damn. Yeah. I have a little context, but I will talk about it after the glimpse. I love the visuals in and as. Rana Bali, The Legend of the First Man, 1878. Oh, really? See, they give really good music. So, Ajay Atul as musicians. Oh, I like his look. I actually like his look. 11 September. Wow. That was a really good glimpse. Like, very well curated. So, The Legend of the Cursed Land. Wait, let me stop this. So, we are getting another period film, and I actually like the director because he's the one who directed Shyam Singh Roy with Nani, and I really like that film. And also, the way this glimpse starts with what kind of atrocities the British have done on India. I mean, it's just a little bit that is getting depicted in this glimpse, but creating like literally famine-like situations. It was something that they have done. They have done it. It's a known fact. You can't erase that history. And in the 18th century, I cannot even imagine the kind of atrocities that our ancestors have gone through in the British Raj. So, whatever context I have right now is that this is adapted from the novel The Cursed Land, which talks about the 18th century condition of southern India. I think the specific area that this movie is going to focus on is Rayalaseema. I could be a little wrong, but you guys can correct me in the comments for that. But overall, the way the glimpse has been shown, I quite liked it. It started with certain footages, and then there was this animation, and then we get to see Vijay's look basically. So I think that was perfectly done. And I feel that it was great of the director to take Ajay Atul for this particular film because they really know how to give great music and elevate scenes specifically for period dramas. So yes, this so far looks actually very good, and yeah, such stories definitely should be told, and very very happy to say this glimpse. So please let me know what are your thoughts, and if somebody has actually read the novel, you guys can definitely give more context in the comments for me and everybody else to read as well. But I'm quite happy with this teaser. So yeah, Rana Bali, let's go. And that was my reaction to the glimpse, and I'm going to sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.